Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead program sponsored by taxbuddy.com. And last week, the markets were hugely volatile. And if you look at Wednesday high, it was 18,100. Then Thursday low, 17,800. And again, Friday high, 18,160. It was going all over the places. As I always say, the markets will be hugely volatile, means either it is topping out process or bottoming out process. And I also said in one of my pre-market, so I assume that this is a bottoming out process. So Friday price action is in favor of that statement, and Friday markets decisively closed above 18,100. Why 18,100 is very important? Number one, that is 50% Fibonacci retracement of fall from 18,600 to 17,600. And second one is the 20-day moving average. And also you can see Reliance has shot up more than 100 point in last 1 week from intra-week low to intra-week high. And TCS and Infosys, and I've been saying Infosys is looking more bullish than TCS. And Infosys is almost wiping out the entire losses which it has made after the results. IT stocks looking good, and Reliance is looking good, and HDFC is looking good. HDFC is trading very close to all-time high. So the only stocks that are lagging behind is banking stocks. So once banking stocks start recovering, the market will continue its uptrend. By looking at all these things, now I can say 17,800 will be a very, very strong support, at least for the next 2 weeks until for this expiry. One of my followers retweeted what I said about 1 month, 2 weeks before. One particular day I said, I think it was on October 1, I think. So today's low will be the low for the rest of the series. And that has exactly happened. Sometimes your intuitions work. So the same way, so this time my intuition says 17,800 will be the very strong support for the next 2 weeks. So that is one thing. Second thing, even if you look at the open interest, 18,000 put option added huge open interest in weekly options and as well as in monthly options. Not only weekly options and monthly options, even in December month option. So if you look at the December month option, the highest open interest is at 17,000. The second highest open interest is at 18,000. Probably the 17,000 put option is being bought by the sellers of 18,000 put option, and that's why there's a lot of activity going on there. So that is to reduce the margin benefit. So it is not necessary that we have to always go along with the highest open interest. Because of this new SEBI rule margin benefit, the sellers are also buying, and that time some ultra conservative traders come and take the opportunity there, so thereby increasing the huge open interest. That is why this time, even among the call option also, it was a 19,000 call option which had the highest open interest, but I have been saying 18,500. So the reason is that 19,000 call option highest open interest I have ignored, because that is due to margin benefit, people who are buying and increasing the OI. For this month, what I said 2 weeks ago, 17,500 to 18,600 is intact. Now probably the range has been shifted from 17,800 to 18,600. And surprisingly, huge open interest is being added at 18,000 put option even in December series. Consumer price inflation data came, which is around 4.5, something like that, which is well within the RBI's comfort range of 2 to 6%. and industrial production data came, it was not up to the mark. But our manufacturing PMI, services PMI data all came good. Those data become irrelevant at this point of time. And what is more relevant, FIIs have been selling continuously for the last few months, and so far in the last 4 or 5 months they have sold more than around 75,000 crore, and in the last 1 month since October 1 alone they have sold more than 32,000 crore. So since October 1 they have sold 32,000 crore, but on October 1 the Nifty was around 17,500. Now it is 18,100. What will happen if FIIs change their mood and they start buying? And in fact, after relentless selling, on Friday they have bought for about 500 crore. Now the question is it one-off buy or whether they are going to continue to buy from next week? So we will get the data maybe after 1 or 2 more days. So if Monday and Tuesday, if we see there is a FII buying, then we can say, the markets have bottomed out and the rally sooner or later, the recent high of 18,600 will be taken out. In that case, the next resistance will be around 19,000 on the higher side. So probably our trading range may be shifting from 17.5 to 18.5 to 18,000 to 19,000 for the coming few weeks. It all depends on how FII is going to behave on Monday and Tuesday. Coming week is a third week. It's a truncated week, only 4 trading sessions. There's no much economic news. Only thing is bank Nifty or banking stocks are oversold. So if they start recovering, 18,600 will be taken out sooner or later. We will see how the market moves in the next week. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this audio, not video, because today I have a workshop in Chennai. So therefore there is no video. So thank you for listening. Bye.